येनाक्षरसमा येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतंजलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। तो आज जो शब्द हमको देखने हैं, इनमें करिन, दंडिन, विद्यार्थिन इत्यादि शब्द हैं। अब इन शब्दों में कुछ ऐसे शब्द हैं जिनका प्रयोग हम वेदांत या काव्यों में भी देखते हैं। सामान्यतया हिंदी भाषा में भी इनका प्रयोग आता है। सो द वर्ड्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट आर करिन, पक्षी और पक्षिन और दंडिन और विद्यार्थिन और स्वामिन. So all of these words are very common. So mantrin is mantri. We have seen pradhan mantri, right? Yani and tyagi. All these words are common. So I'll just say the ka shabdas, the proper nouns, and then you can say the kha shabdas, that is the dhatus. So करिन, हाथी, हाथी, पक्षिन, पक्षी. पक्षिन, दंडिन, विद्यार्थिन, स्वामिन. So Karin is hathi, Pakshin is Pakshi, Dandin is sannyasi. Yeah, I don't see what is written over there, but anyway. So Vidyarthi is uh, Vidyarthi, Swamin is Swami or the master, and Mantrin is Mantri, Jnani is Jnani, Jnanin is Jnani, Yogin is Yogi, Tyagin is Tyagi, Dhanin is Dhani. Now the Kha Shabdas, Devakarji, can you please kha kha shabdas you have to say these ones basically from kha. So
Yeah. Yes.
yeah, so from here to you can just say this one also.
ओके। सेव अर्थात सेवा करना, लभ अर्थात पाना, वृद्ध अर्थात बढ़ना, मुद अर्थात प्रसन्न होना, सह अर्थात सहन करना, याच अर्थात मांगना, सकृत एक बार, असकृत बार बार, गुहु बार बार, पुनः फिर।
Okay. So uh, yeah, now what do we have over here? So karin, dhanin, all of these words work like karin itself. So if we know how karin works, we can say about dhanin, pakshin, dandin, etc. as well. So that's the basic idea. Now, uh, let us look at Shabda Sankhya 10. Shabda Sankhya 10 is what we will have to look at. Let me go there. So, uh, 10 is what? 10 is करी, करिणौ, करिणः, करिणं, करिणौ, करिणः, करिणा, करिभ्यां, करिभिः, करिणे, करिभ्यां, करिभ्यः, करिणः, करिभ्यां, करिभ्यः, करिणः, करिणोः, करिणां, करिणी करिणोः करिषु, हे करिन हे करिणौ हे करिणः. So these are the words. Now, therefore, we can say if we have to say one elephant, we will say kari, two karinau, three or more karinau, karinaha. If I'm saying karinam prichami, I'm asking the elephant. Uh, so we will say karinam prichami, karinam prichami. If I'm asking two elements, I will say elephants. I will say karinau prichami. Three or more, I will say karinah prichami. So in the same way, this will work. I mean, the interpretations are now very clear to us after these many pathas. So this is Prathama, this is Dvitiya, so this is Karta Karak, Karma Karak, Karana Karak, Sampradana Karak, Apadan, Sambandha, Adhikarana. And then the Sambodhan. So if you're talking to a elephant, you say, hey Karin. If you're talking to two elephants, you will say, hey Karinau. If you're talking to three elephants, you will say, hey Karinaha. So this is the thing. Now, in the same way, you can make for. I will ask a question now. The question is, can we create a similar version for uh, uh, yogin? Can you create this, Divakarji? Looking at how Karin has been derived, the Karin thing. So, can you create such a thing for yogin?
जी. योगी, योगिनो, योगिनः, योगिनम, योगिनम होगा या योगिनम होगा? योगिनम होगा.
योगी नम होगा, क्योंकि जहां पे न न के पहले र आता है, जैसे करी में
जी हाँ.
आया, तब वहां पे
जी.
णत्व होगा.
जी
अदरवाइज वो
जी.
न ही रहेगा.
जी हाँ. योगिनम, योगिनौ, योगिनः, योगिना,
हम्म.
योगिभ्याम, योगिभिः, योगिने, योगिभ्याम, योगिभ्यः, योगिनः, योगिभ्याम, योगिभ्यः, योगिनः, योगिनो, योगिनाम, योगिनी, योगिनो, योगीषु, हे योगिन, हे योगिनो, हे योगिनः.
ओके. सो दिस इज हाउ इट विल वर्क, बिकॉज नो नत्व हैज हैपेंड. णत्व नहीं हुआ, राइट? सो दिस इज फॉर the anatva thing. Now, I mean, so there is no anatva that is happening. Now, what about these words? Sevate, sevethe, sevete, sevante, sevase, sevethe, sevadve, seve, sevavahe, sevamahe. This is what? This is a different class of lakaras. So, as I said, you can either divide it into, there are multiple ways in which you can divide all the dhatus, but a major classification among them is to divide it into three forms, that is Atmane Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi, and Ubhayapadi. So Parasmaipadi is like Bhavati Bhavatah, Atmanepadi is Sevate Sevete, or there are some dhatus which will have both Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi rupas. So Sevate Sevete Sevante instead of Sevati Sevatah Sevanti, not that way. So not Padhati Padhatah Pathanti. So Sevate Sevete Sevante. See what they are using. Ate. So what is ate? So we will see later that how this gets created. So save, and then we are saying ate is sevate. In the same way, for sevase, sevethe, sevadve, seve, sevavahe, sevamahe. etc. So
Okay, what is I mean, what is the difference between uh, Parasmay Pad and Atmane Pad? I mean, why is this difference? Because I was seeing this in the case of Dena, uh,
hmm,
दा फॉर एग्जांपल सो दा इज परस्मते पद के रूप में भी दा के रूप है, और इसके अलावा आत्मनेय पद रूप में भी दा के रूप दिए हुए थे, तो आई वाज बीइंग कंफ्यूज्ड टू व्हिच वन टू यूज इन माय सेंटेंसेस. So I mean, what is the basic difference I wanted to ask?
okay, perfect. So the way it works is Parasmai Padi and Atmanepadi. You have something called as yeah. So what you have for Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi is that if you say that something is being done for the other person or related to the other person, you use a Parasmaipadi form. Something in which it is being done for oneself, it is called Atmanepadi. Now, when I say that Seva, you can say that, sir, Seva, so you do it for the other person only. So, yes, there's this very uh, I would say, uh, a very awkward thing that happens over there. So, Atmanepadi's formal definition is this, that it is for oneself. But then there are these words like Sevate, Sevete, Sevante, which is used in in relation to somebody else. So, and then there are dhatus which have both a parasmaipadi and an atmanepadi rupa. And based on what vachya you are using, that is, so you have something called as an active voice and a passive voice. So there, this becomes more important that if a dhatu has an ubhayapadi rupa, then most probably you will use its atmanipadi in the passive voice. So I will we will go into that later, but just a working definition for the time being, which is not very good definition, is that sevate, sevete, sevante in this save is atmanepadi as in for oneself. As I said, not a great definition. So yeah, that's one problem in this. But
Okay.
yeah, so that's one thing. So labhete, labhante. Labhate is to get something. Now to get something is for oneself generally. So there it makes sense. Or to say vardhate, modhate, modate is anandit hona. Sahate, sehna, yachate, mangna. These are all generally for oneself. So these dhatus have that inherent Atmanepadi interpretation. But save has that problem, as in save, as in I have at least felt that it does not contain that inherent explanation in itself unless you go too philosophical in it. I don't see any way in which we can justify that it is Atmanepadi. It is classified as such and we take it like that. That's all.
Yes.
Now coming to अनदर थिंग, एज आई सेड, जिन धातुओं के अंत में लट में अति अतः अंति है उनको परस्मैपदी, जिनके अंत में अते एते अंते उन्हें आत्मनेपदी. Now this is a very bad way of looking at things. This is not how you define it. It is a good way to identify what is parasmai, what is atmanepadi, but these are not definitions of parasmai and atmanepadi dhatus per se. So okay, now what is being said is that you have to do an abhyasa of the rules for prathama dvitiya vibhaktis given in uh, pathas 5, 6 and 7. So this is something that we have to do ideally. And then there is a dhatu, there is a Panini Sutra that has come. Monuswaraha. पद शब्द के अंतिम म हलंत, सो बेसिकली इम के बाद कोई व्यंजन हो तो म को अनुस्वार होता है. सो वी आर सेइंग कार्यम करोति. तो अगर ऐसे लिखते हैं कार्यम करोति, दिस इज रॉन्ग. इसमें संधि करना पड़ेगा आपको. और संधि कैसे करेंगे? संधि करेंगे, यू विल राइट कार्यम करोति. हाँ, कार्यम करोति. सो गृहम गच्छति, गृहम अगच्छत. So in this way say griham gachati. Now this ma halanta has become an anuswara. So एक बिंदु आ गया like this. So this is what you need to do. Just do this. So in fact when we look at these shlokas and all, sometimes you may ask that it is given like uh, परमम. तो अगर श्लोक के अंत में है, श्लोक के अंत में लिखा है परमम, then you have to write it in this way, paramam. But if paramam के बाद any vyanjan comes, paramam padam, like that, then don't write like this. Do it like this, paramam padam. So when we say in the Vedas, we have this verse, this mantra, right? Tad Vishnu paramam padam. So paramam, not do. So doing this thing is wrong. Don't do this. So doing this thing is wrong. This is correct. Paramam Padam. This is what you need to do. First, so-called Sandhi Niyam that we have seen. Now, what are the Vakyas? Now, I will keep it light today. This is a very easy Abhyasa. So, you just need to tell me what are the meanings of 1 to 6.
ओके। वने करिणः सन्ति। वन में बहुत सारे हाथी हैं।
Hmm.
रामः पक्षिणः पक्षिणः पश्यति। राम बहुत सारे पक्षियों को देखते हैं या देखता है।
देखता है is fine. I mean, you are not talking about maybe Dasharathi Rama.
यस यस यस। दंडी दंडेन सह भ्रमति। दंडी दंड
सन्यासी.
सन्यासी दंडेन सह सन्यासी के साथ।
नो, जिसके साथ उसमें तृतीया है. सह सार्धम सामम साकम. दंडी सन्यासी. दंडेन सह दंड के साथ. तो जिसके साथ उस पे तृतीया. सह सार्धम समम साकम.
जी
दैट इज बाई तृतीया, राइट? दंडेन सह. सो लाइक बालकेन. सो दंडेन सह सन्यासी दंड के साथ. यू विल सी दिस शंकराचार्य, राइट?
जी
दे
जी
विल
जी।
कैरी अ दंडा. सो सन्यासी दंड के साथ भ्रमण करता है. व्हाट अबाउट द नेक्स्ट वन?
विद्यार्थिनः स्वामिनः मंत्रिणः ज्ञानिनः योगिनः त्यागिनः धनिनः च अत्र सन्ति। अर्थात बहुत सारे विद्यार्थी, स्वामी, मंत्री, ज्ञानी, योगी, त्यागी, धनी यहाँ पर हैं, यहाँ उपस्थित हैं या यहाँ पर हैं।
This is fine.
विद्यार्थी गुरुम सेवते।
हम्म. हम्म.
तो विद्यार्थी गुरु को सेवा करता है।
हाँ, perfect. But what is the karta and the karma karaka here?
कर्ता इज विद्यार्थी एंड कर्म इज गुरु। गुरु गुरु। देन मंत्री धनम लभते।
हम्म.
मंत्री धन से लाभ पाता है लभते। यस, मंत्री धन से लाभ पाता है सॉरी। यस, सिंगुलर।
हम्म. Okay.
ओके।
So we say in Gita, Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. श्रद्धावान, जिसको श्रद्धा है, ऐसा व्यक्ति ज्ञान को लभते, प्राप्त करता है. नाउ टेल मी दिस वन देन.
अहम विद्यया मोदे. अहम विद्यया मोदे. एक मिनट. मुझे विद्या से प्रसन्नता होती है.
मुझे विद्या से प्रसन्नता होती है. करेक्ट. मैं विद्या के द्वारा आनंद प्राप्त करता हूँ, प्रसन्न
जी.
होता हूँ, वॉट एवर. प्रसन्न होता हूँ इज मोर करेक्ट, बिकॉज इफ यू से प्रसन्नता प्राप्त होती है, देन यू कैन से मोदम, और रादर प्रसन्नता प्राप्तवती, मई, और रादर माम, हाँ, माम विद्यया प्रसन्नता प्राप्तवती, लाइक दैट यू कैन से. बट देन दिस इज बेटर टू से दैट प्रसन्न होता हूँ, or whatever. So then, okay, fine. This is what is mode. What purusha is this?
पुरुष.
हाँ,
प्रसन्नता होती है वुड बी.
mode. What is, so प्रथम पुरुष, मध्यम
ओके.
पुरुष,
थर्ड उत्तम नहीं, प्रथम पुरुष. यस. नहीं
प्रथम
नहीं.
पुरुष.
प्रथम. नहीं, अहम के साथ है तो ये प्रथम
मोदे,
मध्यम उत्तम.
उत्तम
उत्तम
पुरुष.
पुरुष.
उत्तम पुरुष, exactly. So yeah, now there are these two very interesting words here. Sakrit. Sakrit comes in Bhaja Govindam, Moha Mudgara, the stotra by Shankara Bhagavad Pada. It says Sakrideva. So what was that? No, sorry. It was Sakridapi Yena Murari Samarcha. For once only, if somebody has done, even if for only once somebody has done the Archana, the puja of Murari, that person need not fear Yama. Kriyate tasya yamena na charcha. In the same way, in the Valmiki Ramayanam, again this word comes in a very important verse, Bhagavan Rama. So all the asuras, they all go, and sorry, not asuras, sorry. So all the Vanaras are fighting with, along with Lord Rama, and then suddenly he receives this news that Vibhishana has left his brother's camp and is coming here. Now everybody was against him. Oh, he may be a spy, etc. Then Bhagwan Ram says, Sakrideva Prapannaya Tavasmiti cha yachate. See, yachate has come here. So, if anyone, even if for once somebody says, Sakrideva Prapannaya Tavasmiti cha yachate, even if for once somebody says, Tava asmi, Tavasmi, I am yours, and does a yachana to me, praise to me, अभयम सर्वभूतेभ्यो ददामि एतत् व्रतं मम. अभयम अहम ददामि सर्वभूतेभ्यः. So from all the things and beings, I will give that person, what I will give him, abhayam. To what, to which person? प्रपन्न person. So सक्रिदेव प्रपन्नाय, तो जिसको दिया जाए उसमें क्या लगा? चतुर्थी. So प्रपन्न होता प्रथम पुरुष, प्रथमा विभक्ति एक वचनम, बट चतुर्थी लगी, it became प्रपन्नाय. To that prapanna व्यक्ति I will give uh, abhaya from all the things and beings. Abhayam sarvabhutebhyo nadami etat. Etat is what? Is a sarvanama. We have seen that, right? So etat vratam mama. This is a promise of mine. This is what Bhagavan Ram says. So you have seen Sakrid and Yachate have already come over there. So yeah. Save also comes in a very interesting place. So if you look at the LIC logo, I don't know how it looks like now, but in my own childhood, they used to have this nice logo with below which it was written Aharnisham Seva Mahe. Aharnisham is डे एंड नाइट वी सर्व, सेवा महे, सेवे सेवा बहे सेवा महे, like that it used to be there. Okay, now some अनुवाद. Yeah, you can try.
यस, इस नगर में 5 हाथी हैं। एतत् नगर में, एतत् नगर सप्तमी, एतत् नगरे पंच करी 5 हाथी, पंचकरिणः सन्ति। एतत् नगरे पंचकरिणः सन्ति।
हम्म, एतत् नगरे, कैसे कैसे, एतत् नहीं होगा, एतस्मिन.
एतस्मिन् नगरे, यस 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 यस, सॉरी,
If you
यस
want to say
सप्तमी।
etasmin, or else you can also say uh, like asmin also, right? Asmin nagare.
अस्मिन् नगरे, यस, यस्मिन् इज आल्सो यस। इदम, अस्मिन् नगरे पंच करीणः सन्ति।
Hmm. अस्मिन् नगरे पंच करिणः.
सन्ति।
Hmm.
देन इन पक्षियों को देखो, इन पक्षियों को देखो।
Hmm. Tell.
पक्षी, पक्षिणः,
What is pakshi? Pakshi is pullinga or strilinga here? See,
हियर इज, इट इज पुल्लिंग।
pulling, right?
नहीं, यस यस, इट इज पुल्लिंग।
Pulling. So what will be there? इन पक्षियों को देखो, इनको. So you can use something like uh, एषः,
एतौ,
एतौ, एते, एतम, एतौ, एतम, एतौ, एतान, एतान पक्षिणः पश्य, देखो, right?
ओके,
एषः, so it is coming from what? एतत्, no? एतत् का ही जो पुल्लिंग रूप है वो एषः बन सकता है.
यस।
So
एतत्, एतत् देन पक्षियों को, सो
so
दिस
पक्षिणः, like करिणः.
कर्म द्वितीय।
हाँ,
तो एतत् वुड बी, एतान वुड बी यूज, राइट?
हाँ, so एषः, हाँ, that is what I said, एतान. एषः,
एतान,
एतौ, एते, एतम, एतौ, एतान. Yes.
एतान, यस।
एतान
एतान
पक्ष,
पक्षिणः
पश्य. पश्य is
पश्य,
what lakara?
लोट लकार।
Perfect. Load. So now what else? Let me. We have done this.
दंडी इधर आ रहा है,
हाँ.
दंडी इधर आ रहा है, अर्थात दंडी, यस, दंडी इधर अर्थात अत्र आ रहा है। आगच्छति,
Hmm.
आगच्छसि,
Agachati. Agachati. Agachasi to will be for a conversation between two guys, right?
यस 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 यस, दंडी इत्र आगच्छति। देन विद्यार्थी ज्ञानी, योगी और त्यागी की सेवा करता है। अच्छा, विद्यार्थी ज्ञानी, यू, ओके, षष्ठी, this is षष्ठी, ज्ञानी, ज्ञानी, ज्ञानिनी, योगिनी, त्यागिनी, सेवाम कुर्वती। कुर,
ज्ञानी, हाँ तो विद्यार्थी, व्हाट इज
जी।
ज्ञानी? ज्ञानी इज ज्ञानिनम, विद्यार्थी ज्ञानिनम से ज्ञानिनम योगिनम त्यागिनं च सेवते।
ओके, ज्ञानिनम वुड बी द्वितीय ना, द्वितीय विभक्ति।
हाँ, इफ यू वांट टू डू इट दैट वे, सेवते, सो इफ यू कैन, मतलब ज्ञानी को सेवा को सेवता है या सेवा करता है, दैट वे, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। ना इफ यू वांट टू से की सेवा कर रहा है, देन
यस।
यू हैव टू गो फॉर षष्ठी। व्हाट इज द षष्ठी देयर देन? षष्ठी इज
ज्ञानिनी।
ज्ञानी, ज्ञानी, दैट इज नॉट षष्ठी, दैट इज
ज्ञानिनः। ज्ञानिनः।
ज्ञानिनः। ज्ञानिनः इज अ षष्ठी, राइट? षष्ठी एक वचन।
यस। यस।
ज्ञानिनः योगिनः त्यागिनश्च सेवां करोति।
सेवती। यस।
लाइक दैट यू कैन से, दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन। स्वामी धनी से धन मांगता है,
हम्म।
स्वामी धनी से
स्वामी।
धन मांगता है, सो
स्वामी धनी से, धनी से।
पंचमी, यूज पंचमी हियर।
पंचम। यस, पंचम। सो धनिनः, स्वामी धनिनः धन मांगता है, धनम
याचते।
याचते। यस। योगी दुख सहता है, योगी दुखम
सहते।
सहते।
हाँ, ओके, these are all doable. uh, you have to make these sentences and all, so that's pretty much. Hmm. एक सेकंड। कार्य करोति, कार्य करोति इज फाइन, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट, बट कार्य करोति में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मतलब प्रॉब्लम वुड बी कि कार्य इज प्रथमा विभक्ति, राइट? तो कार्य तो नहीं कर सकता है, कार्य कैन नॉट बी ए कर्ता, राइट? अ वैलिड कर्ता। कार्य इज सम वर्क, वर्क इज नॉट द कर्ता, राइट? यू कैन नॉट से कार्य, यू विल हैव टू से कार्यम। एंड इफ यू से कार्यम, तो पहला इसमें संशोधन करना पड़ेगा, दिस इज नॉट कार्य, दिस इज
कार्यम।
कार्यम। So,
यस।
and again, chunki you have a vyanjana before, after this ma halanta im,
हम्म।
you will have to make this karyam. Okay. Similarly, satyam vada pustakam apathat, like that. like pustakam apathat में कुछ नहीं होगा, क्यों? This is
क्योंकि व्यंजन नहीं है।
व्यंजन नहीं है, स्वर है। Perfect. So, we have seen one Panini Sutra, and we have seen what that sutra does, as in Monuswaraha. So, let us look at what that means. ऐसा, what is this? One second. I'm just opening the Ashtaध्यायी. ठीक है? Now, let me stop sharing this, or rather share the other thing. Yeah. Present something else and then Ashtadhyayi Sutra. Okay, what is this Monuswaraha? Let's see. मह, मह, मह का अनुस्वार होता है। मह इज व्हाट? I cannot write it here, but ma, that is im, we were saying that ma halanta. उसकी भी दैट इज ऑल्सो प्रातिपदिका बाय द वे. उसका षष्ठी रूप इज द षष्ठी रूपा ऑफ दैट इज मह. उसमें उसका अनुस्वार होता है मोनुस्वार. नाउ मह एंड अनुस्वार using a particular sandhi rule have become monuswara. We have not yet gotten into that particular sandhi, but it is maha anuswara. And see, such a beautiful thing. In a very succinct way he's saying म हलंत या इम का अनुस्वार हो जाता है. एंड हाउ. So what is happening is you have to look at this sutra. This is what 8.3.23. Okay. So hali, hali शब्दस्य सूत्रेषु प्रयोगः. So hali shabda you have to attach to some of the sutras. What are those some of the sutras? One of them is 1 second. I will go here. Yeah. Hali sarvesham. इसमें से you have to take the word hali. This is 8.3.22. Just before that sutra, monuswara. Hali. Sorry. So, Hali Sarveshams, Hali came here. तो क्या कहा? What will we sing? हल के होने पे. And we say Rame Vanam Gate. रामे प्राप्ते. लाइक दैट राइट. यू हैव सीन फॉर सप्तमी. तो होने पे तो वहां पे भी सप्तमी लगेगी. हली सती. हली के होने पे. हल के होने पे. सो देयर इन सती व्हेन वी यूज द वर्ड सती के होने पे. सो फॉर दैट किसके होने पे. फॉर दैट किसके होने पे थिंग यू हैव टू यूज सप्तमी. So hal is the moola pratipadika. Its saptam is hali. Like we have seen karini, right? In the same way, or karmani. In a similar way, you can say, not the same way. Hali comes. Hal is what? Hal is the vyanjana. तो प्रथम पद के परे हली होने पे, मैंने हल होने पे, और हली हली सती हल होने पे, दैट इज हल इज व्यंजन. म का अनुस्वार हो जाता है. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. So see, Panini Maharshi has beautifully given this in 2 words. But then you have to go, because see, those days when Panini Maharshi wrote it, maybe it was easy to understand. But now, after thousands of years, we need a lot of commentaries also to understand what is there in the sutra. So you have these Anuvritti, sorry, we have these Kashika Vritti and other things. So Kashika Vritti or Siddhanta Kaumudi to teach us what is exactly happening here. So this is how the sutra works. Now let me go into Ramodantam. So where did we stop? Do you remember? I mean, I keep forgetting actually. Do you have any memory of?
अयोध्या कांड में बस केवल 5 श्लोक बचे थे उसके बाद. वी स्टॉप्ड एट
Okay.
दूतेरानायन मातुलालयात. I think we stopped at this.
Okay. Okay. So let me see. I keep Matulalayat. Okay. Kaikeyi Gira we have done. Sorry, Kaikeyi Gira we have done actually. So
ओके.
now, so yeah, Kaikeyi Gira till that we have done. Yeah, yeah, now I remember. So we will look at just 5 more verses today, or maybe we will try to complete, because this is 20 verses, so we can complete Ayodhya Kanda. And as I said, that we will have to go again and again through this, even for the second volume of Rachananuvada Kaumudi. because there is a lot of Vyakarana over there which will be used in this, you know. So, 20वां श्लोक 20 number. So, what is, we have to reach till that. So, okay, now what is there in 20? Hmm. Kaikeyi gira we have seen, and अमात्यैश्चोद्यमानोऽपि राज्याय भरतस्तदा वनायैव ययौ रामम् आनेतुं नागरैः सह. What is happening over here? Chodhyamanah. What is Chodhyamanah? Chodhyamanah is inspired or pressed or pressurized or advised, whatever. Or rather inspired, we should say. Inspired or advised. As advised by the Amatya or via the Amatya or the Mantri. Amatyaihi, Balakaihi. By the Mantris. Then tada, what did Bharatah do? Bharatah tada yayau vanaya eva. He went to, he left for the vana. He went to the vana. Ramam anetum. Anetum we haven't yet seen. Anayati we have seen, Lana, to bring something. So Anayati ka tumun pratyaya we will have to use, and that becomes Anetum. So Ramam Anetum, to bring Rama back. Nagaraihi Saha. Who are the Nagaras? The Nagaras are the citizens. Nagaraihi. So we will say Nagare Bhavaha, Nagaraha. So ones who live in the Nagara, they are the Nagaras. And why Nagaraihi? Balakena Balakabhyam Balakaihi. For Saha. So Nagaraihi. Sa Gatva Chitrakutastham Ramam Chiradhajatadharam Yayache Rakshitum Rajyam Vasishtad Vasishtad Dyair Dvijaihi Saha. So what is happening? Vasishthadyaihi. Vasishtha atyah yesham te. Among whom the Vasishtha is the first one or the foremost one. So those rishis, Vasishtha is a rishi. Among those rishis, the one who is so the group of people among whom Vasishtha is the first one. Vasishtha adyah yesham te. So among whom the Vasishthas are among whom the Vasishtha is the best or the first one. You can say first one. So Vasishtadhyaha. So those Vasishtadhyaihi, through those Vasishtadhyaihi or the Munis and the Dvijas, what did he do? He went to he asked Ramam Chira Jatadharam. Chira Jatadharam, wearing bark, Chira, and Jatadharam, matted hair. So, what kind of Rama is there? Chira Jatadharam. Chira Jatadhara is Rama's Visheshana. So, that kind of Rama, he is asking him, and where does he live? He is living in Chitrakuta. So, Chitrakutastham, Tam Ramam. So, Chitrakutastham Ramam, Chira Jatadharam, everything is in Karma Karaka. Saha Gatva. So Visarga Lupa has happened. We will see why Visarga has vanished from Saha. So who is Saha? Bharata. Bharata is the Karta. So he asked Yayache Rakshitum to protect the Rajya. Along with the Munis, among whom Vasishtha is the first, and the Dvijas. चतुर्दश समानीत्वा पुनरेष्याम्यहं पुरीं इत्युक्त्वा पादुके दत्वा तं रामः प्रत्ययापयत्. So what is happening over here? He's saying चतुर्दश समानीत्वा. So after 14 years, Chaturdasha Samanitva, after the completion of 14 years, Puna Eshyami Aham Purim. I will go towards the Puri, I will go towards Ayodhya again. He said this. Who said this? Ramaha. Iti Uktva. After saying this, he gave the Padukas. Padukas are Strilinga. So Paduke, Lata, Late, Lataha, Latam, Late, Lataha. He gave the Paduke, the two Padukas. And what did he do? He Pratyayapayat. Pratyayapayat. He asked him to, or he made him go. He made him return to Ayodhya. To whom? Bharata. Grihitva paduke tasmat Bharato deenamanasah Nandigrame sthitasthabhyam Raraksha cha Vasundharam. So he took the padukas, and after that what he did? What kind of Bharata is this? This is Deenamanasah Bharata. Very sad, Deena Manasa, very sad Bharata. He started living in Nandigrama, and he started protecting the Padukas. Tabhyam Padukabhyam Raraksha. He is protecting those two Padukas. Tabhyam is Latabhyam, like that. Raraksha cha Vasundhara. And he is also protecting what? Vasundhara or Prithvi that time. His kingdom basically. राघवस्तु गिरेः तस्मात् गत्वा त्रीं समवन्दत तत्पत्नीं तु तदा सीतां भूषणैः स्वैरभूषयत्. So he went to, so गिरेः मुनेः, हाँ. So he went for the, or he went towards the mountains. And Tasmad, after going there, what did he do? Atri. To Atri he saluted. Samavandata. Samyak avandata. He saluted to Atri. This is pranams. And what did Atri's wife do? Atri's wife decorated Sita with her own swaihi bhushanaihi abhushayata. So with her own ornaments she decorated Sita. उषित्वा तु निशामेकाम् निशामेकाम् there is a mistake here. It is nisham ekam ashrame. So it will be nisham ekam ashrame. There is mashrame, it's written, not mashrame. It will be mashrame. So ushitva tu nisham ekam ashrame tasya raghava vivesha dandakaranyam Sita Lakshmana samyutah. That is, having dwelt in the night, or for one night, in his ashrama, in the ashram of Atri, what did Raghava do? He entered Dandakaranya, or the Dandaka forest, along with whom? Sita and Lakshmana. Iti Shri Ramo Dante Ayodhya Kandaha Samaptaha. So you are gradually seeing, we will see as we do more pathas, we will see how our increasing vocabulary and increasing technical knowledge will help us to appreciate this kavya more and more. But I'm just doing it so that you see how an anuvada is generally done. So gradually practice it. Yeah, that's my only suggestion on this account. So please practice this as much as possible. This anuvada. Again, go back to the Ramodantam pathas where Ramodantam has been done, and start.
Okay.
Hmm. So with this we end the patha for today. So येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. So with this we end.